So Flipkart finally shipped it to me. So I had ordered this Pixel 8 device from Flipkart Big Billion Days on 26 September at 12 a.m. for 34,000 rupees. But if you go now on Flipkart to buy this device, it will cost you 39,000 rupees. So in this video, we will see that if it is really the phone that we get in the box or a box of soap, which Flipkart unfortunately is infamous for. So without further wasting your precious time, let's start the video. First, we will see if the seal has been tempered. So as much as I can see, the outer taping on the box of Flipkart has not been tapered with. As you can see, there is no outprints here. So let's open this seal up fast. Yes. So the seal is intact. The Flipkart seal and the Google's own seal both are intact, as we can see. But there is a small dent on the box at the bottom which could have happened during the shipping. So let's forget about that, and first let's open the Flipkart seal. Now let's peel open the Google's own seal. Now let's open the phone. So here is our Google Pixel 8 device in this gorgeous hazel color. Let's peel open this screen protector and let's try to boot it up. So it's booting. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get a USB A to Type C cable, a Type C to Type C cable, and some small documentation here, which I think must have a SIM ejector tool as well. So here is the SIM ejector tool in this round shape. This is it for the contents in the box, as it don't come with a power brick. So let me set this device up fast. So I have set up the device fully. So let's talk about its build quality. The phone feels very solid and compact in hand. The side frame of this phone is made from aluminum, of course, and the back is made from Gorilla Glass Victus. And this strip, which is iconic strip on the Google Pixel phones, is also made up of aluminum. And I have noticed a thing that in Pixel phones we get the power button above the volume rockers, which makes it unique in a sense, I guess. And the haptics of this device are very good as well. So this was a quick unboxing of this sale unit of Google Pixel 8. I hope that you like this video.